Okay, this is our assignment for Google Classroom, Value, Jim Dine Tools. Jim Dine is a contemporary artist, and he did lots of drawings of tools because he grew up in a hardware store. His dad owned a hardware store. What is really helpful about his drawings is it teaches us proportion, the size relationships of things compared to each other. There we go. Okay, so we are going to compare the size of this spatula to the ice cream scooper. We can see that the spatula is bigger. So we are going to sketch our spatula first. First, let's draw a light line down the middle of our paper. So we have space for both tools. And again, we are starting with a quick outline. I see a triangle and a stick. And this comes up a little more than halfway up the triangle. So let's do that here. Okay, and then we're going to do a rough outline of the ice cream scooper. Okay, and now we're going to go in with some more detail so we can clean up this triangle. It is a round triangle. There is a line across. Then it comes down and connects. Okay, and then we have our handle, which gets a little bit wider at the bottom. So I'm using my outline as a guide, but I can change where things are. Over here we have an oval. Then we have a long, skinny triangle. And now I'm going to draw a light line down the middle so I can make my drawing more symmetrical. And we're going to go out, come in, and curve. So go out, come in, curve, and then it connects like the letter U at the bottom. Okay, now I'm going to take a minute to erase all of my sketch lines. So now we have two tools that are proportional to each other. And we can, you know what, we can keep that line down the middle because we're going to add a background and we can make our background like a kitchen tile. So a little less erasing. Okay, we're going to add some interior contour lines. So we have another oval for the rim of the ice cream scooper. There is a hole here, so let's add another circle there, another oval. And there is a place to put your thumb here, which is another oval. Over here we have two screws, which are circles. And we have some wood grain, so we can add some lines. So these are your interior contour lines. And this project was our intro to value. What Jim Dine did was he added shadows along the side. These are called cast shadows, and they give this an effect like you can actually pick the tool off the table, like how we can see these shadows here. So with the side of your pencil, we are going to go all around the right side of each tool. and just shade a little bit in the right side of this tool. And we had a hole here, so let's add some shadow there. You have your Q-tip, just rub on the shadow. And now you have created a cast shadow. And that trick of making something look real, like you can pick it off the table, is called trompe-l'oeil. It is a French term for trick of the eye. Okay, let's add our background and then we're all done. We have a line. Let's add some more lines and make some squares so this looks like the tools are sitting on some kitchen tiles. Okay, and this is your project for Jim Dine's tools. So again, upload this on Google Classroom under Value, Jim Dine Tools. Good job.